So right now I am at Yamaha showroom, which is at Borivali West. I'll link the address in the description box. So I'm here just to check out the FZ FI variant, because many of you guys asked me whether the FZ FI variant is amazing or not as compared to the Gixxer. So both of them are like 150cc. So I just thought, why don't I take a test ride? So thanks to Yamaha people, they let me the keys for the test ride. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the bike is standing over here, and this is the FZ250. I'll see if I get a chance, I'll ride the FZ250 as well. There is basically no carburetor version over here. So it's directly the FI variant, so the fuel will directly go inside. And what I'll say, so this comes with a BS4 variant, so the headlight will be always on. And basically looking at the design and all, it's very eye catchy. So if you just compare with the Gixxer, it is also 150cc engine. So I'll just give you an overview how I felt riding this bike. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Well, this bike looks amazing in the blue and black combination, while you get a pure black variant also, which is over there. So the feel is also quite good. So you can see, so my height is like 5.8, and for this I'll have to do like this. So basically the seat height is same as the Gixxer only. You will not get any difference into that thing. So the instrumental cluster, you can see when you get the same instrumental cluster in the FZ250. फ्यूल कम ही है क्या? फ्यूल कम ही है क्या?
नहीं डाला ना अभी।
ते वो देखो लिंक कर रहा, ब्लिंक कर रहा है। तो मतलब इसके लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही फ्यूल लगेगा। So as you guys saw, so in this you will have to at least have 2 candy of the fuel only. So basically, or else it won't start. So you'll have some problems in it. So basically, I am feeling good right now on this. As compared to the Gixxer, the weight is kind of same actually. Don't know why I feel this bike is lighter than the Gixxer, and it's pretty smooth. The gears are like really amazing for the Yamaha. So basically I think that I would have just got this bike tested before I got the Gixxer. The gear shifts are pretty smooth. If you are just used to the handling of the Gixxer, you will just find that the gears over here are pretty smooth. So like you're shifting from first to second, you just don't get stuck in the neutral for this. They are like pretty smooth. But the drawback of this could be that you will just have to find your space for the neutrals, but that's also good. I mean, for me, this would be like challenging that this bike doesn't come with the gear position indicator, but even that's cool, right? Who needs a gear position indicator if you are well versed? But if you are a starter, so I would recommend you guys to get a gear position indicator, because it helps a lot, guys. And it's pretty amazing. It zips and zooms into the traffic quite well. So if I come back to the pricing of this, so this vehicle is priced at around 1,03,000. So basically this would go above 1 lakh, but thanks to the Yamaha showroom, so I'll just give their address in the description. So they are having some offers on this FI variant, and this FI variant you will just get about at 99,000 and some 5 years warranty as well. So which feels like a really great offer, right? So if you are into the 150cc category, and if you compare this with the Gixxer, the only benefit of this is in a naked Gixxer you won't get a FI variant actually, but at the same time, the Gixxer would cost you at around 97,500, and plus if you just put on like 2,000 extra for this Yamaha, you will just get amazing, right? If you just put on 2,000 extra for this FI variant, you will get pretty amazing performance for this. If the weather is really very cold, you guys must be knowing that the carburetor just gets, it doesn't work only, so you will have to do cold starts and all stuff. So वो झंझट मारी से ये बच जाता है. But the drawback over here, what I found is like you won't get a reservoir for this. Sorry, you won't get a reservoir, so you will just have to fill the fuel every time. And as you guys saw at the starting time, so they had to do something jugaad for the start and all stuff. So all in all, I just found out this pretty amazing, right? So the tank and all the design, looks and feel are pretty much similar to the Gixxer. You won't get, so in Gixxer, if I compare that, you get something like the gear position indicator only at the Gixxer, and plus the gear shifts at Yamaha FZ are pretty smooth, so that's why I just love this bike. So now talking about the exhaust note, you guys can hear it, so which is pretty much similar to the Gixxer only. So Gixxer is standing over here. So if I just do the side by side comparison, you guys can see there is nothing different. So over here also you will get the mono suspension as same as the Gixxer, and plus the one difference is the Gixxer is the carbureted variant, but in FZ you get an FI variant, which is a plus. So if you want to go some touring places like the Ladakh and all, so the FI will just help you in those situations. So that's pretty much of it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. So, and thanks to Yamaha Speed Auto as well for providing me a fabulous machine. So this is the comparison between two. So hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have fun, and mostly importantly is ride safe.
Aside from my soul.